tickets. So apparently Boogie Gang did one give back a ticket. Attention, those with tickets, you have to give the waiter or the waitress your ticket for them to serve you so that you don't have to wait for too long. And as far as my servers, please, while you're on this table, table number 1, take everybody orders, please. Alright? So that's why we're doing it. I want everybody to understand what's going on tonight. Everything is gonna do in a respectful manner, and you're gonna get what you paid for. Because I don't want anyone to get out of here and saying that they didn't get what they were supposed to get. Listen. So, do everybody understand what I'm saying? Please. Alright? Order your food, and then so that we can get moving on. Okay. Since we got this out of the way, we got that out of the way. Alright. This is time. It's about that time, and I want to apologize for the delay. You guys been waiting for my dad, Joseph Giro de la Rose. I've been waiting for him. Alright? Understand what it is. This is an icon. It's my birthday. It's our birthday. My dad is in the building. DJ Bless. It's a long further ado for me to bring the icon, the original, Mr. My dad, Joseph Giro de la Rose. Everybody stand up, please. Stand up. Show them men some respect. Light. Don't leave me in a color. Don't you clear in a color. Light in the air. Light. Leave me up. You can't wait. Ça qu'a fait la soirée, son bagage famille, qu'a fait de familial. And I want everybody to understand that I appreciate you guys. This is my dad, Joseph Giro de la Rose. As you can see, I'm here please tête blanche qu'il. Okay? So you guys gotta understand. Now, are you ready? Right.
Mon fils, essaie de me comprendre, je ne sais pas bien m'y prendre. Et puis c'est pas facile à dire. Tu as dû remarquer depuis quelques années qu'elle avait perdu son sourire, bien qu'elle ait gardé sa beauté. Tu m'as vu plus souvent partir qu'être là pour te réveiller. Mon fils, tu sais dans l'existence il y a deux différences que désormais tu dois apprendre. C'est jamais noir ou blanc mais de gris différents, comme font les reflets dans la cendre. On s'adorait lui sans comprendre, on oublie ce qu'on s'est promis. Et puis un jour, l'enfant grandit. Si je te parle comme un homme, parce que tu es un homme.